Hey guys, how you doing? I wanted to update you guys on Bitcoin and what the movement is like right now. It does not want to break this 44,967 level. So keep in mind, if this actually closes a candle over it, it still needs to close another candle right below, well, not below it, but to the side and a little bit bigger, right? So you need to have, let's get rid of this. Wait up. So if this actually closes over like this, you need to have another candle created, a full candle created over like this. You might actually see a retest like that, but evidently it's probably gonna do something like that. I'm not saying this is what's gonna happen, but you need something like this to happen in order for it to actually go all the way back down. Because if it actually ends up crossing over this 45K level on Bitcoin, you're gonna see a very hard drop all the way down to 40K. Right? There's no other support. There's nothing supporting this all the way down until you hit 35. Oh, sorry, until you hit 36K. So there's really nothing supporting it. I mean, you can maybe say that you can probably hit 42K and have some resistance. But I think major support wouldn't be all the way down at 36K, which would be the first initial take profit that I had for the forecast, right? So my first forecast was actually 36,852, which is relatively close to that resistance, right? It's basically at that support. My super bearish my super bearish forecast would be down to 21,000. I don't know if that'll happen. It definitely can happen. I'm still holding my shorts. Again, I didn't close anything out. Didn't really, close any shorts. I'm still holding my shorts. Probably gonna leave them open till tomorrow overnight. I don't think I'm gonna set any take profit or any stop losses because I definitely do want to see the momentum that Bitcoin has overnight. Because I did have a little scare when Bitcoin actually rallied a little bit and the 4 hour got canceled, but it seemed to just dump on the lower side. But I don't really care about price action here. This doesn't really matter to me. What matters to me is it actually breaking the 44,967 support zone and actually closing a full candle under that, or closing over it and then closing another candle under that. So we might actually end up seeing that tomorrow. And with the SPY, the S&P 500, not really doing all that well, we can definitely see more trickle down movement for all this stuff going on, right? So, we gotta wait and see what's going on. We have just monitor momentum, right? Because on the daily, you still have the daily that wants to maybe close bullish on the upside, but you still got a full day left. So, I do think that if we actually end up staying above this support of 44,967, you actually might see a rebound to 48,000. Again, who knows, right? We have to wait and see for momentum. We have to see what the actual triggers are. But we did close the week bearish, which is a very, very, very bad sign. So, closing the week bearish on Bitcoin is what I told you guys from a long time ago, that every single time we close a bearish week on Bitcoin, while we're still on a monthly bear cycle, we tend to drop 30 to 60% on every single cycle. And it's happened for years. And you guys can see it right here, right? The start of the monthly, the close of the monthly is this red vertical, and then the start is that white one. We drop 30%. Start of the monthly cycle, green, end of the monthly cycle, red. The first bear week close, 60% drop. Start of the monthly, the end of the monthly is probably going to be somewhere in late 2021. Possibly somewhere here, maybe somewhere in this area, maybe November, I don't know. But we actually just closed that week now, so we gotta wait and see. There's a lot of very big very big moves happening right now, and I would not be surprised to see Bitcoin drop to 36K as long as that 44,967 is broken and you actually start closing candles under that. So we'll see what happens. It's going to be a very important week for Bitcoin and all of crypto overall. So have a good night, everybody. Bye.